We're going to make tuna noodles today. We got our water boiling. And now we're going to put our noodles in there. Okay, we're going to make this for 2 people. One, 2, 3, 4 cups. Egg noodles. Egg noodles. Okay, let's stir these egg noodles. Okay, let me get rest of it and I'll be right back with you. Boil your egg noodles for 8 minutes. Let's add 3 tablespoons of butter. Some pepper. Some salt. Salt to taste. It's got mushrooms in it. Can of cream of mushroom. Okay, stir it up. Now let's add our cans of tuna. We got 3 cans of tuna. Any kind you want, like. Juice and all. Should take about 8 to 10 minutes to make this whole meal. Salt and pepper. Don't forget your salt and pepper. Okay, let me test if it's done. The noodles is done, it's done. Okay, it's done. Thanks for watching Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. You can find me also on Facebook. Please push the like and subscribe button if you can. And share it with your friends and family. This is a quick meal, 8 to 10 minutes altogether. Thanks for watching. Bye.